Sometimes when we're simplifying algebraic expressions, we never know what the x and the y or the variables represent. And so the best thing we can do is simplify as much as possible. And one of our greatest tools to simplify is what is called combining like terms. And let's think about how we can combine first with cats and dogs. Let's say Sue has 5 cats and 3 dogs. And Maria has 2 cats and 1 dog. We can represent Sue's 5 cats as 5c and her 3 dogs as 3d. So she has 5c plus 3d, 5 cats and 3 dogs. Maria then has 2 cats and 1 dog. If we wanted to combine these together all in a big pet park, we would have 5c plus 3d from Sue and 2c plus 1d from Maria. All together, the 5 cats and the 2 cats could be combined to say there's a total of 7 cats. The 3d and the 1d can be combined together to say there's a total of 4 dogs. But notice we do not combine together the cats and the dogs. And when we combine the things together, the things don't change, just the number of things. We don't have like 7 cat dogs or 7 cats squared. We just have 7 cats when we combine the 5 cats and the 2 cats. This is the idea of combining like terms. We add the like things, and the things don't change, just the number of things that change. So for example, if I had 9 x's plus 2 y's minus 7 x's minus 5 y's plus 2 x's, we can look for like things. So we've got 9 x's minus 7 x's plus 2 x's. They all have an x. They're all like things. 9 minus 7 is negative 2. Plus 2 is 4. I have 4 of these x's. Notice the things didn't change. I still have x's. The number of things did change. Similarly, we've got 2 y's, and we subtract 5 y's. That's going to leave us with negative 3 y's. And so when we combine like terms, we end up with 4x minus 3y. Let's try one more example. Let's try 5x squared minus 2x plus 9xy plus 1 plus 4x minus 7x squared plus 6xy minus 3. When we say we want like things, they have to be exactly alike. Close only matters in horseshoe, scud missiles, and slow dancing, not in math. So when I say what's like the 5x squared, we can only combine it with another x squared, not with a regular x. 5 minus 7 gives me negative 2 of these x squareds. We do have 2 x's that can be combined with the 4 x's. Those 2 x's are actually negative. So negative 2 plus 4 gives us a positive 2 of these x's. We've also got these xy's. 9xy plus 6xy gives us 15 of these xy's. Finally, we've got 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And so we end up with our final simplified expression by combining all the like terms and keeping the unlike terms separate from each other.